Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure economic indicators with Bloomberg detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Bloomberg terminal. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the command line at the top of the screen. Type in the keyword ECO and hit the enter key. This will take you to the economic indicators screen. Here, you will see a list of available indicators categorized by region and type. Select the region you are interested in, such as the US, Europe, or Asia. Click on the US tab for American economic indicators. Explore the categories displayed, such as GDP, inflation, unemployment rates, and more. To focus on a specific indicator, choose one from the list, for instance, GDP. Click on the GDP option to view its details and historical data. If you wish to customize your view, look for the settings icon on the screen. Click on the settings icon to access customization options. Here, you can adjust parameters such as frequency and data view types. Make your selections according to your analysis needs. After setting your preferences, save your configuration. To track multiple indicators at once, return to the Economic Indicators screen. Select another indicator by repeating the previous steps. You can combine various economic indicators into one view. To create a customized dashboard, click on the Dashboard option at the top. In the dashboard, you can add your selected indicators for quick access. Look for the Add Widget option to include your customized indicators. Select the indicators you previously configured to add to your dashboard. Arrange the indicators in your dashboard as per your preference. Finally, save your dashboard layout for future reference. You are now all set with your configured economic indicators on Bloomberg. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.